What happens if world faces one of the world's most formidable challenges? Rolling out COVID-19 vaccine program for 7.9 billion people in just 24 hours. To succeed, many things have to go right in at a global level.
Is next.
The global vaccine race has now entered its second phase, where countries try to produce as many doses of COVID-19 vaccine as possible. India has begun one of the world's largest COVID vaccine program. In first phase, within 8 months, India plans to vaccinate 300 million people, nearly equivalent to entire US population. India is known as pharmacy of the world since it produces half of the world's total vaccine supply. India's vaccine manufacturing ecosystem, raw material supply chains are not that much advanced, but still we will not suffer a shortage of essential goods like US and UK did. Production facilities. First problem would be facing by two of the world's largest manufacturing producing enough amount of vaccine doses and storage facilities. With multiple companies start to make this possible with joint collaboration with largest manufacturers to produce more doses with a state-of-art technology. Storage facilities. In facing its next challenge is that manufacturing companies don't have huge cold chain storage and distribution network, where role of private sector comes out to play to fill this gap. They had better started looking at the private sector as not just a partner but an essential one. According to available estimate, largest manufacturing cold chain capacity of 50 million doses with another 1 billion doses capacity of cold chain need to be created. It may have to rely on private sectors significantly to cover that. Two largest manufacturing companies start to store vaccine. Another 1 billion doses capacity of supply.
New idea of several dozens of small
manufacturing
mobile centers and 2 dozen medium-sized manufacturing mobile centers are deployed and ready to be used to increase production capacity of those manufacturing companies.
Joint collaboration with the largest all the small mobile manufacturing centers and medium-sized mobile manufacturing centers are upgraded and are ready to be used to increase production capacity. Largest manufacturing companies build 3 additional production units and are operational. Cold storage units are also built near manufacturing units and around airports. Cold storage units around airports start to store vaccine sent to nearby airports for storage with a huge good carrier aircrafts. Mobile units from other parts of the world arrived and are now operational. Monitoring everything. A Google come into play and announce world can use application which is computed and data stored in Google servers to be used as digital platform for tracking vaccine stocks, storage information and who gets the dose and other statistical data in a real time. Government announced public night lockdown for next 48 hours. India announcing after next 24 hours start of the global vaccination program around every corner of the world. India has produced enough amount of vaccines for entire world in just 4 months with 1.5 billion doses of vaccines ready to dispatch around the world. Pre-stage vaccination. Half of medical staff received their first vaccination in India. NGO organizations around manufacturing companies help to load vaccines into containers which are to be transported to nearby airport using containers and helicopters. They are transported to nearby COVID centers and also nearby airports. Transportation. The present transport infrastructure and service has lagged far behind demand for very long time, but new demands on the transport network are creating biggest challenges. Imagine an advanced interconnected frigid transport network that connects goods safely, quickly, and a network that makes different mode of transport easier to be used than ever before. Air service play an essential role in assisting people in time of disaster, famine, and war. They are particularly important in situations where no other means of access are obstructed by natural disaster or much more. Air transport is vital in delivering food, medical supplies, and searching and rescue services. Massive cargo carrier aircraft to reach their destination within 12 hours for the longest transportation route. That seems impossible because they take around 19 hours for traveling about 9,000 miles with mid-air refueling stations. But with same distance, jet aircraft can take less than 12 hours. For long distance they are efficient, but storage capacity is too low. But we have no alternative to this. So now it is time for Air Force, Navy of a globe take over this challenge to take huge amount of vaccine to its destination with large calibrated to provide mid-air refueling. As it reaches its destination, it's easy to reach urban locations, but next challenge comes up, that reaching to the furthest rural population. We will be also needed fastest traveling frigid transport to reach rural localities. We can use helicopters and lightweight airdrop aircraft. First supply flight to the 120 countries is ready to take off to their respective destination from Indian airports. Second supply flights to the another 75 countries is ready to take off to their respective destination from India. USA, France, Germany, UK, Italy, Australia, Japan, and 50 more countries supplied cold chain storages to India for the future use. Countries from Middle East Asia, Central Asia, Southeast Asia, and Southern Asia received their first supply. Countries from Middle East Asia, Central Asia, Southeast Asia, South Asia received their second supply. Second pre-stage vaccination, another half of medical staff vaccinated by India. Multinational calibration program with Indonesia and Australia received final supplies. First supply reached Africa. Vaccination has reached to more than 50% vaccination centers in India. First report of 2 supplies destroyed due to over temperature. Second supply to Africa reached. First supply to American continent received. Calibration program by India, Japan, USA, UK, France, Germany, Russia, and 12 more countries to transport supplies to North American countries, as time to reach destination in American continent will take lot time. North America received final supplies. Final pre-stage vaccination started for frontliners in India. South America also received final supplies. Final supply to Russia, China, and 30 more larger countries received with calibration program by India, Japan, USA, UK, France, Germany, Russia, and 72 other countries. Vaccine has reached to every vaccination center in India. Pre-vaccination get satisfied result will help public to have vaccinated themselves. 10 fighter jets with 1000 kg of vaccination started their trip to Southern Asia with 2 aircraft carriers waiting to receive their vaccine. Force contains nearly 2 billion members, including Navy, Air Force, Military Reserve Force, National Disaster Relief Force deployed to keep everything under control near and around vaccination center around the globe. NGOs come forward to join the forces to get vaccination completed fast and in safe manner as possible. Several supplies have been damaged due to over temperature issues. Nearby countries come forward to give some of their extra supplies. 300 million COVID vaccination centers get supplied with required amount of vaccines. 20 million medical staff including trained medical, paramedical, retired medical staff, medical students and medical NGOs reach their respective vaccination center. Second stage pre-vaccination program start with vaccination of half of security forces. Aircraft carriers in Southern Ocean received supplies and now fighter jets are on their way to next destination to drop supplies near Antarctic Ocean, where everyone waiting for a long time. Another 56 million vaccination centers got supplied for the required amount of vaccinations. "50 cases with the symptoms to vaccine around the world begin to record. Global vaccination program started. 0.7% world population is vaccinated. 125 out of 195 countries have joined this vaccination program. With another 60 countries join global vaccination program, 3% of world population is vaccinated. Tropical cyclone landed in southernmost city of India. 3 dozens of rescue teams are deployed at the work to take people out from the high-risk zone to safe place. Medical staff has reached to safety camps and even during cyclone southern India has started vaccination program. Another case from Germany, supplies have been damaged. France, Belgium, Italy, Poland announcing that they are supplying required vaccine to Germany in next 2 hours. All continents except Antarctica have joined global vaccination program. Countries with population below 10 million of population have completed vaccine in their country. 19% of world population is vaccinated. America, Russia, UK, France and many other countries' rapid action teams are on way to Caribbean islands for strategic support against protesters. Finally, tropical cyclone in southern India and Sri Lanka, Maldives is weakened. Germany received supplies from France, Belgium, Italy and Poland. Still, Antarctica not yet started vaccination program due to the bad weather. Antarctica got vaccination supplied with about 6.5 hours of delay due to bad weather conditions. 7 hours from vaccination program starts. Maldives have completed its vaccination program with help of 3 teams of Indian Air Force. Sri Lanka also completed vaccination around 60% of its population. 37% of world population is vaccinated. About 51% of world population is vaccinated. Countries with less than 40 million population has completed their vaccination program. Antarctica became first continent to complete its vaccination program. 63% of world population is vaccinated. 51% of Indian population is vaccinated. 67% world population is vaccinated. Europe became second continent to complete its vaccination program. 75% world population is vaccinated. 80% of world population is vaccinated. South America and Oceanian countries are vaccinated. 80% of Indian population is vaccinated. Giant earthquake of 7.2 Richter scale was measured about 150 kilometers below seafloor in Pacific Ocean hits. Tsunami early warning systems have started to alert. Chaos between public in many cities of Philippines. 95% of world population is vaccinated. 95.3% of Indian population is vaccinated. Finally, vaccination in Caribbean countries started as protesters cool down. Philippines restart its vaccination program. 99.5% of world population is vaccinated. 99.8% of Indian population is vaccinated. Still 40 million people are not yet vaccinated. Caribbean countries completed vaccination. With this, North America becomes the fifth continent to complete its vaccination program.
A minute to a deadline.
Africa also completed its vaccination program.
Less than a minute to a deadline.
India completed its vaccination program.